Hey everyone, in today's video I wanted to briefly touch on this new app I was introduced to called Fetch Rewards. It's basically like the Receipt Hog app, but instead of taking forever to accumulate points and coins, it builds points really quickly. In my first week, I've collected 975 points, which to me is a lot better value than the Receipt Hog app, and let me show you why. So if you head over to the Receipt Hog app, if you did download it, I'll put a link in the description for you to check it out. Basically, you snap pictures of receipts and then the app will credit you a certain number of coins or tokens or lottery sweepstakes tickets for however much money you've spent on the receipt. So if we head over to the receipt tab, you can see I've spent quite a bit of money on groceries. Now, on the far right hand side of each one of these receipts, you can see that it was either coins and a little ticket. On the shell, you can see it was just a ticket. Down here at the Southtown Center, you can see it's like that little slot icon, which you'd be able to pull the tab and try your luck for different prizes. But for each one of these, like if we click on this Whole Foods, you can see at the very bottom that I earned 20 coins and 1 ticket. If you head over to the shell, you can see that I only earned 1 ticket. If you think about it, wouldn't you rather have an app that allows you to earn more coins and more points for every receipt you upload? For me, I'm going to keep the Receipt Hog app, and I'm going to use this new app called Fetch Rewards to accumulate double the amount of points that I would have than just having one app and accumulating one amount of points for that app. This way you get to use the same receipt on these two different apps and you get points for both. But in my opinion, Fetch Rewards, which is this app right here, is so much better than Receipt Hog, because in my very first week of taking pictures of my receipts, I've already accumulated almost 1,000 points, which is equal to about $1. So yes, I know 1,000 points for $1 doesn't sound that great, but this is money that you're losing out on if you don't download the app. For every receipt that you don't take, you are losing points and potentially money for those receipts. So I highly recommend you checking out the link in the description below to download the app and start collecting points today so that you can redeem for actual prizes. Now, when I say prizes, if you head over to the rewards tab, you can see these different numbers up here at the top. Let's say I were to select the up to 3,000 points one. This is what I could redeem for those 3,000 points when I get there, which will be very, very quickly. $3 Amazon gift card. You can even go up to 50,000 points, and they have a bunch of different options. They have Amazon cards, AMC cards, Apple iTunes. You've got a bunch of different options. Whereas if you were to only use the Receipt Hog app like I just showed you, let's head over there, and you were to go to your rewards and redeem for prizes, you only have 3 options. So if you like more options and you want to collect more points, then I highly recommend going to the Fetch Rewards app, downloading it with the link in the description, and starting to collect points on things you're already buying. Now, let me quickly show you exactly how to take a picture of a receipt. Now, I don't have any current receipts that I haven't used already, but I will show you what to do with existing receipts that you haven't taken pictures of yet. You're going to click on this little yellow icon, the camera icon, and that will open up your camera. And then you're going to line up in this little viewport area the receipt. Now, it's not all going to fit in one picture. But the good thing about this app is once you snap this photo, then you can click this Add Section button and you scroll down to where you left off. For me, it was right about here. And then you take a picture at the bottom of it. Now, I've already submitted this receipt and I've already earned 50 points for this receipt. But if you were to do it, you would click on this Submit button, and that'll take you to another page where it says your receipt is uploading. Do not navigate away from this page. So it's going to tell me that it's a duplicate. I already know that. But if it wasn't a duplicate, it would give you the points right there and then, and you'd be on your way to getting that first Amazon gift card or AMZ card or whatever else you want to buy. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one because it's a duplicate. But that's what you would do, and it's really, really simple to earn points and do things to collect those points. If you noticed over here on the home page, you can select like these different items. If you were to go to the store and buy this item right here, the Planters Deluxe Mixed Nuts, if you bought it and you didn't have this app and you didn't submit the receipt, you would lose $3 because 3,000 points, as we know, can be redeemed for $3 worth of items. So what you can do is, if you happen to go to the homepage and scroll down, and if you see something that you're gonna buy anyway, then you go ahead, let's say this, skincare. Add it to your shopping list so you can see a list of items that you're ready to shop for and buy. And then when you submit those receipts, you will get the points that it says. So 1,500 points for that St. Ives skincare. You've got 1,500 points for these flushable wipes. You've got coffee, and these change from day to day. So be sure to go back and check and make sure, hey, if you're going to go to the grocery store and buy peanuts, add this to your shopping list so you remember to buy it. And then once you buy it and you take a picture of your receipt by pressing this little icon in the bottom right, this yellow one, then you will get rewards for those. These are like bonus points. So I highly recommend checking out this app and start scanning in those receipts, because the quicker you do, the more points you'll accumulate and you'll start earning money right now. As always, if this video has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that bell notification icon to get reminded and notified when I upload more videos just like this one, so that you can start earning more money today. I hope this video has been helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one.